Well, we started our harvest season of 2018 here today. We have several crews harvesting and packing cantaloupes. We're doing honeydews and mini watermelons. So it's been a busy day here. We've got a lot of people working, and we'll have more crews working here this week as we pick up the pace. Well, my family has been in melons since probably the 30s, but actually I'm the first actual farmer in the family. I started my own farm in 1985, but my father was a grower. He didn't have his own farm, but he used to grow melons in the 50s, 60s, and 70s. We're trying real hard to continue the tradition. We have the next generation working with us. It's a much more technical, much more difficult business now than it was back in my father's day. And we're trying to stay abreast of the technologies and so forth that will keep us on the cutting edge. On the first day of the season, we take our crews together and we give them safety training. We cover many subjects, including heat stress dangers. We talk about sexual harassment and discrimination. We talk about safety around machinery, talk about food safety. We brief them on the laws regarding their wages and pay so that they know what their rights are.